So you saw the aggressive baboons there fighting, the male chasing everyone. I think it's because they've just eaten. Probably he didn't have enough, so he was not satisfied with the food. So I think this was a form of demonstration that you guys finished my meal and I'm not full yet or something like that. I don't know the story, but all I heard was so much noise and the chasing and the screaming and the beating and the biting. So please don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Leave your comment, like this video, share it, and check you in the next video. Cheers.